Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video on this channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can easily activate your Lloyds Bank credit card online. So if you also want to successfully activate your credit card of Lloyds Bank, then make sure you keep watching this video until the end. First of all, open up your web browsers and just search for Lloyds Bank credit card activation. Once you do, you'll need to enter in the first website. Make sure that is the website of Lloyds Bank. Click on the first link which says activate and set up your credit card. Now through this section you can see a number of ways that you can activate your card. You can also activate your card using the app of Lloyds Bank. But for this video we're gonna activate online. Click on the second option which says activate your card online. Once you do, you can see there are a couple of steps that you need to do. Firstly, click on activate your credit card and it's gonna take you to a section where you need to fill in these details. Now through this process, you'll also be registered for your internet banking or online banking of Lloyds Bank. As you can see, it says right here. So firstly, type in your credit card number that is displayed on your card. Type in the 16-digit card number and then select the date of birth that you entered while creating an account of Lloyds Bank. So this must be exact, your date of birth, and then enter in the expiration date that is given on your card. Once you do this and type in all these details, click on activate, and if your details entered are correct, your card will be instantly activated. There is no lengthy steps that you need to do. Once you click on activate, your card will be activated. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel. If you want more videos just like this, be sure to hit that notification bell so you get notified for more interesting videos. That's all for today. I'll see you guys in the next one.